Para ka nasa time ni Jesus. Kung saan people don't realize that the way we look, the way we dress, the way we have beard, it's like Jesus. Peace be upon Him. Na kung saan pinagtatawanan tayo, they laugh at us the way we look, but they didn't realize na yung sinasamba nyo na si Jesus ay kalahi namin, Semitic people, na kung saan His God is the God of Abraham. Yung Diyos na walang dapat sambahin maliban lang sa Kanya, the Creator of the heavens and the earth, your God and my Lord, na kung saan namilid walang yula, hindi siya pinanganak at hindi nagkaroon ng anak, hindi siya napapagod na natutulog. So sambahin lamang siya, ang Diyos ni Abraham at ang Diyos ni Jesus. Peace be upon them all.